Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So let's start with today's analysis. So for today I am looking for a buy in odd CAD and this I am looking for a buy in New York session. Anyways, the reason behind this buy is first of all in a bigger time frame. This is a 4-hour chart. This is in an uptrend. You can clearly see here. This is in an uptrend. Okay. And right now the buyer from this level is holding the market. This is also very clear. And let's go to the data of the nearest point. Let me delete this one. This is not required. This will be confusing you. This will confuse you. So from here you can see there was a good buyer. He went up and now sellers came, but at this area you can see their power was almost finished. I mean to say they were left with no power. Let me show you this in the 15 minute. First of all, yeah, 1 minute. Let us see it in the 1 minute. So here buyer came very strong. Seller came strong up to this level, but from here you can see sellers are dead, almost dead. And now buyers are again taking market towards north. So currently I want a pullback, and let me show you the level. I want a pullback up to this region. And if everything looks good, and if I find that the buyers are back, they are available, they are present, then definitely I am going to take it for a buy. So this is my idea behind odd cat buy. Let's see how it develops. Now let's move to our next pair. Our next pair is odd CHF. This also I am looking for a buy. Yeah, and one more thing, there was one fundamental news in the morning. There was a speech from odd governor which was good. So I think this should also impact and this should make odd strong. Sorry, yeah. So let's go to 4 hour. So in the 4 hour, what we can see here is buyers are holding this area. This buyer went up, seller came, again he tried, this time again seller tried and unable to make lower low. Seller failed from this level again. Now let me show you this in 1 hour. From there the picture will be more clear to you. Let me delete this one. So seller came, buyer again came, and seller came very hard but unable to make a lower low, and this time buyer was very strong. You can see he was very strong. And from this level I will show you this area in more detail in 15 minutes, where you will understand that why I am feeling that the sellers are dead. Let me move to 15 minutes to show you this area. Yeah, so here you can see at this area seller came very strong, buyer came again, seller came very strong, this time buyer came too strong, and this time this seller was unable to make a lower low. This seller came here, but he was unable to make any lower low. And today, after the speech of Australia's governor, I think this should go towards north. So, anyways, the buying is supported fundamentally and technically both. So, I think this should go for a buy side. Although this is not a very good, very clear chart, but still, I think this should go for a buy. Now, let's move to our next pair. Next pair is CHF yen. This I am looking for a sell. I am covering this in the last because this is the least probable one. Still, I am looking for a sell in this. This is a 4-hour chart. Clearly, you can see there was a seller and he made a lower low by breaking this level. Price went up, pullback came. Now, let me show you this in 1 hour. So, definitely, you can see there was a good buy here and at this level. But I think this was a faker move. This is not a real move. Although it went up, but I don't think this is a good move. Now let me show you one thing in 15 minutes. So this was a buy. Buyer went up, seller came. Again buyer tried, but this time buyer was unable to make any higher high. Although it went up, but it was not a significant one. Now sellers are again controlling the market. This time they came strong. Now I want, and again this buyer is reacting, but the reaction is very slow and sellers are controlling the market. So this is what I'm looking for, a sell in this, but still I want some discount. I want the price at this level so that I can take it up to here. So let's see how this develops when the market opens. So this is all my idea behind today's analysis. We have three pairs, and this is the least probable one. So that's all from my side. Please trade carefully. Thank you.